Welcome to qnawire.
If we have the endpoints of a diameter, the center would be at the midpoint, which is found by adding the x-coordinates together, taking half, and adding the y-coordinates together, not a room here, taking half. So that midpoint, which would act as the center, would be at -12/2, or -6, and -24/2, which is -12. The radius of the circle can be found by taking the center to any point on with the distance formula. The distance formula, which is the difference of your x-coordinates squared plus the difference of your y-coordinates squared. And so using -6, -12, and -3, -8, for instance, there's a difference of 3 units between the x-coordinates, and a difference, because that's -3 and -6, there's 3 units there, and 4 units between -8 and -12. And so that's the square root of 9 plus 16 is 25. So that distance is the square root of 25, or 5. So the radius of the circle is 5, and the center is at -6, -12, which means the equation would be x minus -6, or x plus 6 squared, plus y minus -12, or y plus 12 squared, equals a radius 5 squared, which is 25. That's in standard form. It's always the opposite sign of the center. So this is centered at -6, -12, and we're equal to the radius, which is 5 squared. Now, that was distance. Don't confuse that with diameter. The radius is 5. I hope that was helpful. Good luck. Oh, by the way, graphing it, I'll just do a real quick basic sketch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, this is better on graph paper. I'm going to skip this part. I'm going to erase. I'll go real basic here. You should have a center. That center should be at 6. Excuse me, I'm doing this wrong already. The center should be at -6, -12. And then you'll go up 5 units. So -6, -7. To the right 5 units, which would be -1, -12. Down 5 units, which would be at -6, -17. And left 5 units, which would be -11, -12. Those points would be on your graph, and then you would do your best to make a circle. And I'm way off of my center, but that's okay. This is a sketch. Again, good luck.